Traveler, are you awake? You didn't oversleep, did you? Oh, you're awake. You must have been really tired yesterday, huh? To be fair, I was too. Of course, after a few bottles of dandelion wine, but that's beside the point. Ah, I'll lay here with you for a while. I didn't think it would rain so much today. I thought maybe we can play outside some more. Huh? Oh, you want to stay in? Sure, we could find something fun to do inside. Come on, get up already, traveler. Speaking of fun things to do, we should make something to eat. And by we, I mean you. I'm not really good at cooking. I don't know, maybe you can teach me. I feel like that would be fun, right? Do I have anything to suggest? Anything apple flavored. An apple pie, or we can make apple cider? Yeah, I guess that isn't really breakfast, but it's still fun. Come on, let's go to the kitchen. Let's see what you have. Valberries, wolf hooks. How come you don't have any apples? Okay, yeah, I do take them all, but not all the time. I guess we can make something with the valberries. You do have a lot. And let's see, you have some eggs in here. That seems like a good breakfast. Some eggs and fruit. That's really healthy. So what do we do first, traveler? Oh, you want me to cut up the fruit? Okay. So after you cook the eggs, I guess I'll set up the table. I mean, where do you keep your plates anyway? Oh, that makes sense. Okay. I'll just get this and put it here. So, traveler, how do I hold this? Yeah, I never really... Oh, okay, and you just slowly cut it. You know, for as long as I lived, I should have really tried cooking sooner. It was just never something I thought of or needed. But I'm glad I can experience this with you, traveler. It's really fun. I feel like I do a lot of new things with you. Alright, those are done. I'll put them in a bowl for you. Can I see what you're doing over here, traveler? Oh, you finished already? That was fast. Do eggs normally cook that fast? Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll get the plates. One for you and one for me. Can I do the honors of putting it on the plate? And there we go. And I'll just add the fruit. And bam! No, it looks pretty good. Looks yummy too, for how simple it is. Come on, let's go sit down. Should I do the honors in taking the first bite of Traveler's great eggs? Or tasty eggs, really? I know I haven't ate it yet, but I already know they're good. You know, these berries go really good with the eggs. We should have this more often, Traveler. Or I guess cooking in general. Next time we're making apple pie. And I'll bring the apples. So I was thinking, Traveler, you told me that you were going to Inazuma. I mean, I have nothing against it, Traveler. I'm just a little worried. I know you can take on anything, but the Electro Archon isn't exactly the nicest. How do I know that? It's a long story. I know you would love to hear about it, but it isn't exactly the right time. Well, I asked because I wanted to know who you're going with. Oh, it's someone from Liyue? That's pretty cool. I feel like you go to Liyue a lot. But you do come back here for commissions, right? I see you sometimes. Hey, Traveler, next time you come back to Mondstadt, make sure to come say hi. You haven't really been here as often as you used to. I guess you have been traveling a lot. You are the Traveler after all. I just kind of miss you being here, you know? It felt like it was yesterday when we stole the Holy Lyre. That was pretty fun, right? Okay, maybe for you it wasn't so fun. But we did get the Velen back. I feel like that's an accomplishment.